Hi guys, so this is the makeup I did for my birthday, which was on Christmas. I did a full coverage makeup, and this is the same makeup that lasted me all night. From the afternoon till night, this is the makeup that lasted me. I'm going to moisturize my face, of course, without a doubt. That is something I will always do before makeup. But in this case, because I want the makeup to stay longer, I'm using a primer as well. I don't usually use a primer because it tends to block your pores, but it's necessary today because I want the makeup to last about 12 hours. I'm using a liquid foundation, and make sure you blend it really well. Of course, some concealer wherever required. Once again, blend it all out well. I'm using a loose powder with a very light hand to set my foundation. Take a light neutral eyeshadow to contour your eyes. Use any brand of your choice and put it on your upper eyelid. Winter means dark lipsticks for me, which is why my eye makeup is always going to be light. Now take any brown eyeshadow and a flat soft eyeshadow brush and just shade the outer part of your upper eyelid. Bring a little bit onto your crease line to give it a little bit of definition. Bring it down to your lower outer lash line without taking any extra product on your brush. Do the same on the other eye. Take a clean, fluffy brush and blend it all out. Now take a smudge brush or a pencil brush of your choice. Take a darker brown eyeshadow and just line the outer lower lash line and your outer upper lash line for a definition. The mascara itself is going to line your eyes. Take your highlighter or any shimmer shade on your finger and dab it on the center of your upper eyelid and blend it out nicely. I always set my eyebrows with a gel. If you need to draw it, go for it. Otherwise, definitely set it with a gel so that it stays in place. Use some highlighter on your brow bone. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. If you're scared of mascara because of the removal, just use baby oil and baby wipes and you are going to be sorted. I prefer a mascara compared to false eyelashes. I always fill out and line my lips with a nude lip liner. Make sure you've used a lip balm before makeup. And I do this step so that my lipstick stays longer. I'm lining my lips with a lip liner that will go with my lipstick. Today I'm going to use a mix of two lipsticks. The first lipstick is Diva by MAC, and I'm going to mix it with a red, and I love that combination. Dab out the first layer with a tissue paper and then touch up your lip liner so that your lip shape looks perfect. Now I'm adding a red lipstick, which is going to change the color a little bit, but I love this mix. I'm using a powder contour, which will give me a soft contoured look. Use any fluffy soft brush for this. I just flatten the same brush and apply it on the two sides of my nose, and my contour is done. A blush on is a must for me. I like cream blushes, blend it well. I prefer cream blushes because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for a powder based blush. The last step is my highlighter, which is a must for me when it's a full coverage, glamorous look. This makeup is going to last me all night. Just for the evening, I'm going to make the lips a little more red and then maybe add a little blush. Set your makeup and you're good to go. So this is my morning look, my lunch look. Daytime lunch look, this is my look, and I'll show you how I've changed it for the evening. So this is my morning look, and for the evening look, which is from the next picture, I've made the lipstick a little more red, added a little blush, and my makeup stayed intact. I'll see you soon with some more easy looks. Try this on New Year's Eve.